I just want to make a few comments. I'd like to thank all the schools that participated in this year's competition. The most schools we ever had, 19 schools. We also had schools from Bono level. Please let's put our hands together for all the schools that participated in. As you can see from tonight, the wonderful dance that was displayed by all the different schools goes to show how rich we are in Fiji, in talent, in culture, in our ability to do fusion of music. Please keep it on. Don't forget this. Keep on having that unity in your schools about your country, and when you even leave your schools, make sure we make Fiji strong together. Vinaka, thank you for participating. The 2019 Fiji Link Best Dance Group Award goes to Morris Brothers High School.